Hi, in today's video, you're going to learn how you can get some free discounts from our subscriptions. So, our signals are based on synthetic indices from Deriv. So, if you'd like to make use of our signals, you need to have an account with Deriv, okay? Because those synthetic indices can never found on any broker. So, all you have to do to qualify for a discount of up to 50% is simply create an account with Deriv using our affiliate link. So to do that, simply click on this button which says go to Deriv. When you create an account using our affiliate link, we're going to earn some commission. Okay, so once you do that, you qualify for a discount. Okay, so once you do that, once you create an account, you deposit in some money, start trading using our signals. Okay, if you'd like to request for a discount, simply click on dashboard. Okay, this is when you have logged in. When you do that, simply click on support and click on new ticket. So why are you creating a ticket? You're actually creating a request that I have created an account using your referral link and I would like a discount for my next deposit. Okay, simply enter in the subject and the message and send. Once you submit, we'll be able to get back to you with a discount depending on how much. Okay, so that will be communicated from us using this support system. So this is it about this video.